So this video isn't anything fancy. No production studios, no fancy lights, no big setup. And that's intentional. Why? Because that's what our new Unconventional CA brand is about. It's about being intentional. It's about having honest conversations about what is happening and what it is required to take to build a business realistically. And we know this because for years we've worked with entrepreneurs across South Africa, internationally, and we've realized that inside the real spectrums of entrepreneurs, where decisions compound, where cash flow is tight, on the other side, where the businesses are struggling with market access opportunities, we realize something, that small businesses are not short of ambition, and the entrepreneurs are not short for a lack of wanting to grow and develop. They're failing because the right support structures and the right systems are not provided to them at the right times. And at the same time, institutions are not short on capital. They're often short on the clarity behind how that capital should be deployed to entrepreneurs itself. And that's the gap behind why we built Unconventional Capital and Advisory. Capital to us isn't just funding. Advisory isn't theory. Capital is about disciplined deployment, and advisory is not just governance. It's about creating structure and insights that help both entrepreneurs scale and build their businesses sustainably, both as a leader and in their business. And yes, we are unconventional, but not for attention. It's for intention. And we ask questions that the ecosystems often avoid. What's really happening inside businesses and startups and SMMEs? What's going on with the leader? Why are they failing? And what's really happening inside them, in their mindset? Because growth isn't just a systems problem, it's a clarity problem. And so our brand isn't just a redesign. Our brand is something that is built with intention. It's a clear reflection of the work that we're doing, building businesses with structure, connecting capital with intention and evidence, and helping entrepreneurs grow with confidence. So welcome to Unconventional Capital and Advisory.